Let me show you everything you want to know about this EKO Hana 50-liter trash can I was just gifted. Now, I have tested a lot of EKO trash bins. They're all so beautifully made, extremely durable, thoughtfully designed, and this is no exception. Now, the Hana or Hana is a plastic bin. If you don't want plastic, EKO has a ton of great stainless steel trash cans as well. But this is really, really nice, durable. It's not going to get dented or scratched. It's going to hold up really, really well. On the back side, you can see it has a nice handle. And on the bottom, it does have rubber feet and it has rollers. So if you have very heavy waste that you need a trash can that you can actually roll, this one can roll. And while it's not a super powerful roll, it is really nice that it can roll. It's not going to scratch your floor as you pull this trash can where you need it to go. Now, the top is stainless steel, and I really love this top design because it's not just a single piece of stainless steel. It actually has a plastic backer, and I have an EKO trash can in my bathroom that has the same design. We have dropped so many things on that trash can just because it's between the vanity and the toilet, and this doesn't dent very easily. I'm sure you can prove me wrong because of this plastic backing. This still looks brand new. Another really nice piece is their stainless steel is smudge proof, so it's going to stay looking beautiful. Now, this is a step can, as you can see, opens right up. And when it's open, you can lock it into place so it'll stay open for you. You just kind of wiggle the lid for a moment and it'll stay open. And you can see right here that it has this little pop open here. This is so you can add a deodorizer. EKO has great deodorizers. I love them, but really any deodorizer you prefer, this box is a very nice large size to fit whatever you find best to really keep things smelling a little fresher. Now, when it comes to the inside of this can, because it's a plastic can, it doesn't have a plastic liner. Instead, this element actually comes up so you can tuck the bag in and then lock this down over the bag. Let me show you close up. Now, as I already showed you, you can kind of pop the lid to hold it in place. It has like a little circle there or a C right there, and that's where it pops into the lower level to stay upright. And then this just opens up, and this is going to wrap around the trash liner, which I'll put in a moment. But before I do want to show you that the inside is really nice and open. There are a few little breathe holes in the bottom, so this can dry out unless you really fill it up with a lot of wet items. And it's just a clean, simple, extra durable plastic bin. Now for the trash bags, you can use any liners you want, but EKO does make their own and they give you a set of 12 bags that come with it. These are the 40 to 60 liter F bags. They make really great bags. And what I like most about these bags are that they're built perfectly for these bins and they're extra strong. If I pull, I'm pulling really, really hard. I can start to get my fingernails to go through, but really it's holding so well, built to hold everything you toss in this bag. So I'm gonna put this in, and I really am just gonna take it and slide it into the bin itself, which is a little awkward, I'll give it that. Just takes a moment, you have to hold up that whole piece. But once you have it in, you can put down this piece and it's just gonna hold it in place. And if you do not want to see any of the plastic, you can basically just pull it up a little bit until it's all hidden. And then this top piece will hold that bag in place. And then it's nice and sleek on the outside with that 50-liter bag on the inside. And it closes silently every time. So if you're on the hunt for a very durable, silent close, potentially deodorizing trash can that is also a very, very thick plastic built to last with a beautiful lid, I think you're going to love this EKO Hana 50-liter trash can.